So hello everyone, my name is Parvas Suhagia and today we are talking about problem number 917, reverse only letters. In that problem we have given a string named S and we just have to reverse only letters without moving another characters. Like you can see in example 1, a-bC-dEf-ghIj. In that example the result output is just it changes the letters only. Hyphen's position is remain same. So basically my approach is to store all letters in a new string and then reverse that and push that to the actual string. So first we need a new string. We named it stemp. Now in for loop we are checking if the character O in S is letter, then we store it in a stemp. This is the condition. If the character is between capital A to capital Z or small a to small z, then it passes the condition, and in that we just have to push back that into new string. Now we also need a new variable. First of all, reverse it. Now we need a new variable for as an index to assign that stemp values to the actual string. So we need same for loop with same condition to assign that. But there is a catch. You cannot directly use as C or CH. It doesn't changes directly the character of S. We have to add and at the start, so it uses as an address. Now we can directly modify the string S. ch is equal to and then we just have to return that value. Oh, any syntax error? I accidentally used m instead of n. So you can see our answer is correct. So thank you for watching.